Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So I said I was going to try to put another video out tonight, and I said I haven't been feeling very well and I got a little busy, but I did something here, and I want to further explain what I said in another video. I said I hope the right people, as opposed to a lot of people, take interest in that. Well, I think some of the right people have taken interest in it now. All I'm referring to is there aren't a lot of people that seem to either understand or think it's important what's going on here and what we can do, and that's fine. And I'm just hoping that somebody out there who's paying attention or who pays attention in the future knows how to help me. And I have a default expert who knows a lot about math. I haven't got to talk to him about this yet. Haven't even got to show it to him. So there's him to talk to, but I'm just hoping some of my viewers out there might have some answers too, because I know that we can do something with this hard data that we're getting. I know we can. There's got to be a way, and I plugged in some more songs, and I got a couple different colors of pens. I plan on making some graphs. Some of these bigger percentages side by side. I got to listen to more Skid Row songs, and I haven't done that. And also, another thing that's important, guys, is what about the songs that haven't changed? Because I can tell you that some of the Poison songs that I listened to were perfectly the same. The very next Skid Row song I listened to was perfectly the same, even though they took our highest calculated percentage change so far, variance so far. But the next song was perfectly good, so why? I think some of these unchanged songs would have something to do. If you were trying to make a big equation, you'd also have to take everything that hadn't changed into account, or some things that hadn't changed anyway. So what I've went ahead and did here, I had this graph yesterday, and I found a better way to present it. I added Skid Row's 18 in Life. I added Poison's Valley of Lost Souls. I added Poison, Flesh and Blood, Sacrifice. I added Michael Jackson, Smooth Criminal. Megadeth, The Scorpion. I added Slipknot, Wait and Bleed. I added Blue Oyster Cult, Don't Fear the Reaper, Megadeth, 99 Ways to Die, and the Beatles without the title. And also, I think Megadeth 99 Ways to Die had no title included, but nonetheless, I plotted it all in here. Guys. So that you could see, here's your I believe this is your Skid Row, and you can see it tops out up here, even over this Poison one. But you can see, guys, this I mean, you can, and I just plug these random songs in. Does anybody know? And there's other charts we can make. Does anybody know how to help use this information to make other calculations, to make other charts? Anybody have any ideas? I mean, I know somebody will somewhere. It doesn't take an expert. It doesn't take a scientist. I'm not a scientist and I'm not an expert, but I can do this, and I don't think anybody else would have to be any sort of scientist or an expert to help figure out how to use this to figure things out, to try to develop a pattern. Maybe we could develop a pattern towards what was really being targeted with the quantum computers. I mean, we can't, like I say, we can't account for the shifts themselves not now at this time, and I don't know how to calculate other things at the moment. Not that I didn't know how to do this either at one point. So I mean, there's still it can still be done. It can still be figured out. But again, I mean, pause it if you want to and look at it, guys. This is cool stuff, and it's a pretty, and that's all I could fit in here. I need to get, a notebook with some paper and try to put that a little closer so people could see what was going on with it. I need to get like a notebook and maybe some folders and start. I need more data to plot into the graphs, but you see where I'm going with this, guys. The right person equals anybody interested, and just one out of the blue idea. That's it. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to keep collecting the data. We're going to keep collecting the data here. Like I said, maybe over the weekend or something, I'll start to figure out some of the other songs we've done, some of the songs other people have done. Make a bigger chart. So, and maybe we could see a better pattern. But I just wanted to throw that out there, guys, and just looking for any ideas. I mean, when I say the right people, you could have 1,000 people watch something, and if 999 people didn't understand what they were seeing and the information was of no use to them, but one person got it and the information was useful and they could help find a way to further that information and to gain more information, then that one person was the right person. And one of the other people could end up being the right people if later they, contemplate, watch another video, do some research, and then they themselves get it. But that's what I'm talking about. Just generally speaking, the right people that would understand what's going on, that what we're doing here, that would appreciate it, so to speak. And there's there's about 10 people that are definitely seem to be following everything, and those are the right people. And then, if you get 15, you guys know what I mean. I'm looking for ideas, and or anybody who gets this stuff and has any ideas how to further this information. So that's going to be it for now, guys. And for now, thanks for all your thumbs up. Thanks for your thumbs down and your comments and subscriptions. And again, leave your comments and your thumbs or whatever it is, guys. One more time, this is a sample of what we can do with this information, and you can see once again that we can definitely get patterns. And once you can start seeing the titles and know what you're looking at, you can definitely pick up patterns, I think. And then there's also the changes themselves. You get a word dropped off, you get a word added on, an S comes on. Maybe there's a way to use that too. Maybe there's a way to take all the added and subtracted stuff and put a mathematical value on them. Maybe letters of the alphabet. Maybe it's that simple. Or maybe a coded word message if you got enough of them from there with the right pattern. Maybe maybe the drop-offs and add-ons from here and here. And maybe if we found some other songs that were right in the same deal, maybe one should start looking at those letters and words that fell off and added on. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyway, that's going to be it for now. Hopefully somebody watches this. I don't even know what to title it, but For now, you guys enjoy the rest of your night, and thanks a lot for watching. And thanks a lot for those of you that are participating and throwing ideas out there. We really appreciate that. And you guys have a great rest of your night.